Hello, so this is a presentation for the RISO Energy project. Basically, this is what we created for the IFA event. So here we have like an house with like solar panels and an application that will play the role of the smart meter on the house. Here, this is the electric vehicle charging station, and like the terminal that will be done by this Android tablet. And here we have just the user application. So first, let's focus back to the house. So let's say you have solar panel, you're creating energy, and you want to sell that energy to your energy provider. In that case, you would install a smart meter at home, and for the energy that is created by your solar panel, you will be rewarded by crypto tokens. So here I just log in. Here I'm just like producing energy for a couple of seconds, and for this couple of seconds I will get rewarded by a couple of tokens. Here we have received 25 tokens for 5 seconds. On my user application I can check what is my token balance. So here we have just the 25. So let's say now we go out with our electric car, we want to charge it to electric charging station, then we just go to the charging station, select for how long we want to charge. In our case we just charge for like 5 seconds, so 5 seconds the charging time is equivalent to 5 tokens. I proceed to the payment. So a QR code is displayed from my user application. I will just scan it, and here on the user application will be displayed the transaction information, 5 tokens, charging time for 5 seconds, and the address. Okay, then proceed to the payments. So here transaction was processed. On the charging station it received the payment, and then we can start charging. In our case we're not charging our car, just charging our phone, and our phone will just be charging for 5 seconds, and then when it's finished the current will be stopped and the charge will be complete. Thank you.